2020 Tesla Model 3 long range all-wheel drive. Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me tell you about this car. 82,000 miles, under factory warranty for the drivetrain and the battery, brand new tires, one owner. I bought it from the original owner. You meet the nicest people at charging stations. It's powered by good old North Dakota natural gas, coal, and wind instead of OPEC oil. What else can we tell you about it? It's the dual motor all-wheel drive long range. We are the gray, they call it silver, with the black interior, full glass. It's FSD compatible. It has the autopilot, has summon. Yeah, it's just really nice, clean car. Again, clear Carfax, original owner, inspected, new tires. What else can we tell you about it? Autorama doesn't have hidden fees. We have a $145 dock fee. That's it. Otherwise, the price you see is the price you pay. We don't have all those hidden dealer fees. It's garbage. Dealers advertise their car lower to get you in, but then they have all these fees. It's dishonest. We don't do that. Get pre-qualified at AutoramaAuto.com. If you're pre-qualified, we're going to have you in and out of here in 20 minutes. No need to keep you here all day like some other dealers do. So that's the advantage. Inspected, no hidden fees, quick, easy in and out. Yeah, come and see us, AutoramaAuto.com.